Chantel and I lost 44 pounds and counting following a plant-based lifestyle. Today, I'm showing you how to make a Thai peanut Buddha bowl. This bowl is balanced, flavorful, and nutrient-packed, which makes it perfect for fat loss. Let's get into it. We are starting with our base. It could either be brown rice or quinoa. Both are great for fiber and sustained energy, but quinoa has a little more protein if that's what you're looking for. I prepared mine ahead of time, but if you need to cook yours, just follow the package instructions. Quinoa takes about 15 minutes and brown rice takes about 40. And don't forget to rinse your grains before cooking. Now let's prep our veggies, because what's a Buddha bowl without all this beautiful color? I'm lightly steaming my broccoli for about 3 minutes. You want it tender but still bright green and crunchy. After steaming, I drain off the water and saute my broccoli in a bit of olive oil, garlic powder, and salt. For protein, you can go with chickpeas or tofu. If you're in a hurry, chickpeas are perfect since they're ready to eat. But if you want that extra crispy bite, try tofu. I cube mine and then marinate it in a seasoning paste of oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and ground ginger. I let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so the flavor really seeps into the tofu. And then I pan-sear it in some avocado oil until golden brown. This gives the tofu an amazing texture. Now for the sauce, the best part of this bowl. I'm using some peanut butter, which gives it a creamy, nutty flavor, soy sauce or liquid aminos for umami, maple syrup, which adds a perfect touch of sweetness, lime juice or rice vinegar, which brings out all the flavors, and a splash of water just to thin it out and make it a smoother consistency. Now let's put it all together. Start with your rice or quinoa as the base. Then add your steamed broccoli, shredded purple cabbage, and shredded carrots, which add crunch, fiber, and loads of antioxidants. And then your protein. This is what makes the Buddha bowl so fun. The colors, the balance, it's everything. And now for the magic touch, this creamy, dreamy peanut sauce. Drizzle it right over the top. You can be as generous as you want. I won't judge. This Buddha bowl is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. It is packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats to keep you full, longer, and satisfied. If you love this recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comments, what is your favorite Buddha bowl combination? Until next time, remember, healthy does not mean boring.